Okay, so this morning I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how to do the shapes in this last project. So starting out with the square. When you're doing a square, you have to do it as though it's in two-point perspective. And you have to start with the front line, and it has to be perfectly straight up and down and vertical. Then you establish, if you imagine the angle of the front of the leading top edge on the right side. So you establish the angle here, and you draw that line moving in that direction. Now the angle down here should be the same as this or slightly less, so you want to converge that slightly towards the other one and have that go up. Then you make the approximate measurement for the side and do another straight vertical line there. Okay, and then from that you have to again imagine a straight line here and the angle that this is going to move up from that. So you look at the top and you would normally hold your pencil up and see that angle and then see how this moves away from it. Alright, so you're going to establish that. Then you go down here and do the same thing. So you want to have it kind of moving at the same angle or slightly converging towards this line, like it's moving towards the vanishing point in the far left. So, okay, and then you can take the measurement here, and it's approximately in this particular box, it's about 3 times the distance. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's about right there. Straight vertical on this side. Okay, then you're going to take this point and head it towards where would be a vanishing point up here. Head it up there. Okay, and this side's going to do the same thing. It's going to go towards the vanishing point out here. And that's basically your square. So you got this, oops, I messed up the line. Alright, darken these lines up so make sure you can see them. Okay, so with this one there's a circle on top of here. In a circle you basically just going to set the parameters for it. It's going to be here, 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 and then same distance to the top. So approximately there. Alright, so then you want to just kind of do circular movement until you get it. It feels about right. Now you could use a circle template for this if you wanted to, but that just kind of sets the basic shape. And then for the pyramid on the left side, you would start from the starting point up here, figure out how far it goes down, set a straight line down for that, for the center. Okay, and then you figure out where the base is, and it's going to be approximately this wide, so the base is that wide. You're going to set a straight line across there. Then you're going to run from this point to here, from this point to here. Okay, then you'll set the angle for the front by determining the angle on the right side or left side. This one is a little easier to go here. It goes down about that far. Okay, and then from that point you're going to go to here, and then back up to the center up here. Can someone get that? Okay, so now we've got that shape set. On the right side there was another cone, and it's a little bit higher up, so I'm just going to set a line approximately where that's going to happen at the bottom. Again, it's the same width as this, so you always got to take a measurement. Okay, so this is going to be slightly narrower than I had. And line up the center to where it would have stopped. Okay, the cone's pretty easy. You just run from this point up to here, this point down here, and then you drop a line down about approximate to where the center would be, and then from there you're just going to round out from both sides to create the cone. Okay, and then there's a tube behind that. The tube kind of came out from here, and again it's going to be vertical on both sides, kind of setting the height of it, and it's going to be about this wide too. So, right. Then you're going to put a line where this starts to curve in, and a line where the top curves in, and set the center of it, and figure out about how far down it drops for the center and for the back part of it. Then again, you're going to round out from the sides, round out from this side. It's just the easiest way to make an oval. Okay, and then same thing for the bottom, you would find center, round towards that on both sides. Okay, so that's the basic shapes for this last exercise. So I'm going to stop the video.